Now we are going to see the second sum. This is also word problem, exercise 1.2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? I'll repeat the question once again. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Okay, that what is the question meaning? That means, so Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He is a cricket player. Name of the person is Shekhar. So he has so far scored, actually he scored 6,980 runs. He scored how much run? 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete, so he wished to be scored, he wished to be scored 10,000 runs. So runs wish to be scored, that is what. So he wished to be scored 10,000 runs. So how many more runs does he need? So more runs, how many more runs does he need? So runs needed more. How many runs he needed more? That is the question. So first runs scored by Shekhar, that is 6,890 runs. Okay, that is what. Runs scored by Shekhar, that is 6,980. Next, what is this? Runs wish to be scored. Runs wish to be scored. Runs wish to be scored, that is 10,000. That means he has to score 10,000 runs. That is his intention. So that is his aim. So he has to score 10,000 runs. And runs needed more. So what is the question? How many more runs does he need? How many more runs does he need? So run, therefore run needed more. Run needed more by Shekhar. So what you're going to do? So has to score. Okay, run wish to be scored. Run wish to be scored is 10,000. That is a greater number. That is his wish and his ambition. So he has to score 10,000 runs. But he already scored 6,980 runs. So what you're going to do? What is the question they asked you? Therefore run needed more. So how many run he has to score more? More run. How much or how many? What? How many run he has to score? Okay, that is what. So from the 10,000 you have to subtract 6,980. That is what I have written it here. So 10,000 minus 6,000 sorry, 10,000 minus 6,980. So this is ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. So 0 minus 0 you can get 0 only. So 0 minus 8 you can't, so from 0 to 8 you can't subtract. It's not enough to subtract because it's 0. So here also 0 and here also in 100 place also 0 and 1000 place also 0 and 10,000 place you know that is only 1 year. So what you're going to do, you have to borrow from 1. So this 0 become what? This 0 become 10 and after that you have to borrow from this 10. So this this we have to borrow from only 1. So this become 9 and this 0 become what? 10. So again you have to borrow from this 10. So what will become? You have to borrow only 1 means this become 9 and this 0 becomes, this 10's place 0 become what? 10. I'll repeat once again. So 0 minus 0 you can get only 0. So in 10's place 0, 100 place 0 and 1000 place also 0 and 10,000 place only 1, that is only one number, that is 1. So you have to borrow from what? 1. So you have to borrow from this one. So from 1 you have to borrow. So 1 if you, because it's already 1. So if you borrow from 1, it's become this 1 becomes 0. So this 1000 place, this 0 become 10. After this what? From this 10 you have to borrow 1. So this 10,000 place 10 become 9 and 100 place what? 0 become 10. So after that you have to borrow from 1. So this 100 place 10 become 9 and after that what? This 10's place 0 become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 8 you can get 2 because you have to do the backward counting after 8, 9, 10. So you have to write 2. So here what is this 9? 9 minus 9 you can get 0. So 9 minus 6 you can get what? 3. So the answer is what? 3020. So first what you're going to do, this is the right answer but anyhow you want to check it. How are you going to do the check method? So I'll do the check also here. Check method. So what is the run scored by Shekhar? 6,000 980, and also run what? Run needed more. That is needed more. Needed more is how much run needed more? 3020. So you must add both together. So 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0. Again 8 plus 2 means 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10. So 0. The carry overs go to the top. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0. So carry overs go to the top. And what? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So this is 10,000 you can get. That means that is run wish to be scored. That is his ambition. He has to score 10,000 runs. That is what you get it. So if you get 10,000, your answer is, that is needed more run. That is 3020 is exactly right. Okay. So run needed more is nothing but 3020. This is the right answer for the question. I think so you understand the question very clearly. Nothing but run scored is 6,980. Runs wish to be scored is 10,000. That is his aim and ambition. He has to score 10,000 run. So therefore run needed more means you have to subtract from 10,000 to 6,980. Then you can get the answer is 3020. 3020, that is therefore run needed more is 3020. Whether it is right or wrong, you have to what? Add together. Which you are going to add together? That is already scored run. This is scored run is 6,980 run, and after the needed more run is 3020. If you add together, you can get the was runs wish to be scored. That is that you can get runs wish to be scored. There is 10,000 run, you can get it. So this is the right answer for the question.